Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you unpair headphone in Technophone. Guys, you want to unpair your headphone in Technophone, so guys you can unpair. In this video guys I will show you how to unpair it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys click on more connections, Bluetooth, and guys click on this icon setting and forget, and guys your headphone will unpair. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair headphone in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.